Today in math, we're going to work on our number 12 number bond page. Now remember, we're working on bigger numbers, numbers that are greater or more than 10. So when we look at our number bond page, we see two 10 frames at the top. That's because it takes two 10 frames to show the number 12. So let's get started with our number 12 number bond page. We're going to start with our 10 frames. We want to fill it up to show the number 12. Count with me. Remember, one number with each circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is one full 10 frame and two more. So that means if I held up both of my hands, all fingers on both of my hands, I would need one more person to give me one hand with two fingers up to show the number 12. Next, let's take a look to see if 12 is even or odd. Remember, if a number is even, everybody has a partner. If it's not, then there's somebody left out and it's odd. So we're going to do our 1, 2, circle together to see if number 12 is even. 1, 2, circle together. 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 Everyone has a partner, which tells us that the number 12 is even. Now we're ready for our four square. The first box, we're going to draw 12. Now remember, we don't want our circles that we're drawing to be on top of each other, and it's best if they're not even touching. We draw a circle, we say a number. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm going to touch each one with my pencil again to make sure that I've done 12. Remember, we call that double checking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now let's go to our tallies. Remember, when we tally 1, 2, 3, 4, cross for 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross for 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, cross for 10, 11, 12. Okay, for the next thing, we're doing more and less. The first box says 1 more plus 1. The next box says 1 less. Minus 1. So we're going to start with our plus 1. So we need to start with 12 objects. So I'm going to just do circles because they're easy peasy to do. So I'm going to start with 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and my box says 1 more plus 1. I think of it like I have 12 pieces of candy. And somebody is being so nice and they give me 1 more. How many more or how many pieces of candy do I have all together? So I start with my 12 and I'm going to add 1 more. Let's see how many that is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 more than 12 is 13. So I'm going to write that on my paper. Okay? Next, we're going to do 1 less, minus 1, which means take away. So when we think of minus 1 and take away, I think of it like I have 12 cookies and someone took one. How many do I have left? So let's start with 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 cookies. I need to show one less or minus, take away one. So I'm going to X one out. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. One less than 12 is 11. So in that box on my Foursquare, I'm writing the number 11. Okay, now it's time for our number bond. And remember, to fill in our number bond, we have to decompose the number 12. We have to break it apart. So I want you to get 12 items. 12 toy cars, 12 crayons, 12 erasers, whatever you have in your house. So you can pause this video if you need to go get some. Okay, guys, I'm going to use 12 magnet circles. And I'm going to put them on my cookie sheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have all my 12 all together. Now I want to decompose it. Remember, decompose means we break apart. So I've got all my group of 12. And I need to break it apart into 2 different groups. So I'm going to move some to this side, and all the rest are going to go to this side. That's how I'm breaking it apart. So I'm going to push some over here. And I'm going to push the rest over here. Remember, I didn't add any more. I didn't take any away. I still have 12 on my pan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I just broke them apart into 2 groups. This is a group and this is a group. Now, that is what I'm going to use to help me to fill in my number bond. My number bond just shows what I did here using numbers. So, it says 12 because that's our big number. This circle is going to say how many I put on this group. This circle is going to say how many I put on this group. So let's do the top circle first. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 on this side, so 4 in that top circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 in this group, so 8 in that circle. This right here, this decomposing shows me that 4 and 8 all together makes the number 12. You may have gotten something different because 12 is a bigger number and there's lots of different ways that we can make 12. Last, you're going to trace your number 12 2 times and write it 2 times. Trace the word 12 once and write it once.